One sunny Saturday morning, Emma decided to visit the park near her house. She packed a small bag with a book, a bottle of water, and a sandwich. The park was only a 10-minute walk from her home, and she enjoyed the fresh air as she strolled along the tree-lined path. When she arrived, the park was already lively. Children were playing on the swings, and a group of teenagers was playing soccer on the grass. Emma found a quiet bench under a large oak tree and sat down to read her book. The gentle breeze and the sound of birds chirping made her feel relaxed. After a while, Emma noticed an elderly man sitting on a nearby bench, feeding breadcrumbs to the pigeons. She smiled at him, and he waved her over. "Good morning," he said cheerfully. "Would you like to join me?" Emma hesitated for a moment, but then walked over and sat beside him. The man introduced himself as Mr. Thompson. He told Emma that he came to the park every weekend to feed the birds and watch people. "It's my favorite way to spend the morning," he said with a twinkle in his eye. Emma listened intently as Mr. Thompson shared stories about his life and travels. She was fascinated by his adventures and the wisdom he had gained over the years. As they talked, Emma realized how much she enjoyed the conversation. She had come to the park to be alone, but now she was glad she had met Mr. Thompson. Before leaving, she thanked him for the pleasant chat and promised to visit the park again soon. On her way home, Emma felt a sense of warmth and contentment. She had started the day looking for solitude, but ended it with a new friend and a heart full of joy. Sometimes the best moments in life come when we least expect them.